Do you want to understand real English conversations about jobs and future goals?
Or maybe you want to talk about your dream job in English.
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about dream jobs, future plans, and career goals.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening and speaking naturally.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, we're talking about dream jobs and future careers.
You'll hear useful English expressions people use when talking about work and goals.
Let's begin.
Paul, what was your dream job when you were a child?
I wanted to be a pilot.
Really?
Yes,
I loved airplanes.
that sounds exciting.
What about you? I wanted to be a teacher.
And now?
I still love teaching.
That's wonderful.
What's your dream job today?
I'd love to be a travel photographer.
That sounds amazing.
I could travel around the world.
And take beautiful pictures.
Exactly.
Do you have any goals for the future?
Yes,
What are they?
I want to improve my skills and learn new things.
That's a great goal.
What about you?
I'd like to visit more countries.
Which country would you like to visit first?
Japan.
Good choice.
How about you?
Switzerland.
Beautiful mountains.
Exactly.
Do you think English can help us achieve our goals?
Definitely.
I agree. Have you ever had a funny job experience?
Oh, yes.
What happened?
On my first day at work, I called my manager by the wrong name.
No way.
Yes.
What did they say?
They laughed.
That's good.
What about you?
I once sent an email to the wrong person.
Seriously?
Yes.
That's embarrassing.
Very embarrassing.
At least it's funny now.
Exactly.
Mistakes help us learn.
That's true. Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.